Kani gadega Patisi TV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasngi.
Hennen kasngi ka arpunyo teri unailor, ringkat kiwei kiri haka pertai hi borakawai, ke jela Meghalaya ru kalarakhi ya kasngi ke bakrapang jong kikam jungok kai pertai, ne ke wall tourism day. Kawai ni ke jarakhi ke balapelong, da ke sarkar jela kedai ke balapelong, da ketnat tourism, hasil sutam auditorium Shillong, haka bau menteri rang ba ke jela Dr. Mukul Sangma, ulalong kongsan. Kat bau parliamentary secretary bakmi ya kene ketnat ubak Kennedy Kriam ulalong kum sembut kongsan. Kiwai de ki balai dan lang ki kentop yo chief secretary kejela uwai sering bat kiwai de ki officer jong kene ketnat. Hakani kesengi Dr. Mukul Sangma ula pelat paj baru ye ikot leng kedap bala penbet penbiang da ketnat tourism haka bala shan ye ki jingtho babnya sepang ki jaka jungok kai pertai ki badan hakani kejela Meghalaya.
Tourism is going to remain as one of the most crucial sector to ensure the needed socio-economic transformation for the future prosperity of our people. There is no denying this fact. And that is the reason why the government has embarked upon a number of initiatives. Try to make humble beginnings to ensure that we are able to optimally realize the benefit out of the potentialities across the state that exists. That's why this World Tourism Day is so important, so crucial. I wish we could have organized this program and observed this day in much more befitting manner. I'm sure in the years to come, we will have much more befitting celebration in a manner that celebration itself become a product. That celebration itself become a positive story to connect us with the rest of the global community.
The broken heart that people